Tell me something about yourself. Sample answer. I'm James, a certified journeyman electrician with experience in commercial and residential. And I put first in my job the quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. I have more than 5 years of experience as electricians. I am knowledgeable in performing electrical installation, maintenance and repairs in homes and plant facilities, and also proficient in National Electrical Code, solving problems with various electrical control and system. Why do we hire you? Sample answer. Because I am a hardworking person and I believe that I am the most qualified applicant for the job. I am knowledgeable in performing electrical wiring installation and repair, troubleshooting, and I am proficient in National Electrical Code. Why are you interested in this job? Sample answer. I am interested in this job because I am looking for an opportunity that let me exercise my skill. I feel this position will allow me to succeed because my experience is related to the job. Can you tell me something about your previous or something about your experience? I developed extensive skills with the electrical system for the last 5 years, and I am excellent with commercial and residential installations and repairs, and also knowledgeable in analyzing and solving various electrical problems. Why are you leaving your current or previous job? Sample answer number 1. My current job has been a great experience, but the growth is limited because the company is relatively small. I need to look somewhere like this company where there is opportunity to grow my career. Sample answer number 2. I'm ready for the next challenge in my career. I love the people I work with and the projects that I work on, but at some point I'm looking for a company where opportunity to grow my career. What is your preferred method of diagnosing problem? Sample answer. The way I approach first, I will ask the homeowner if it is a house, but if it is a plant, I will ask the operator and get some information, and this will lead you to the problem. Try to look first the simple problem like circuit breaker trip, stop is pressed, rather than removing the electric motor immediately. Have you ever had conflict with your superior or colleagues, and how do you handle it? Sample answer. I think everyone at some point had a conflict with their superior or colleagues. I'll just try to work with them whenever possible and stay away with conflict as much as I could. What is your strength and weakness? Sample answer for what is your strength. I am a hardworking and responsible person and do my duties on time. Sample answer for what is your weakness. I do not stop working until the job is done. I should know my limitation. How important are safety regulations and following safety guidelines to you while on the job? Sample answer. Safety and customer satisfaction is my priority. I try to follow the guidelines of the company policy and review them. Additionally, I always make sure to conduct myself in a safe manner while performing my electrical installation and repair duty, either in a home or a plant facilities. Do you have any question for us? Sample answer. Always say yes if these questions will be asked. Sample answers. What are the most immediate projects that need to be addressed? What is the next process after the interview? Now, let's proceed to technical questions. Can you draw a schematic diagram of a three-way switch? Here's a sample of three-way switch for your reference. Technical questions. These jobs require you to bend, crawl, lift heavy loads, entering confined space, noisy environment. Do you have any problem with that? Usually the answer is no. If yes, you need to explain based on your medical and personal condition. Will you be available to work overtime, shift change, swing shift, or grave shift? How do you change the directions of the motor? Answer: in a three-phase induction motor, reversing any two of the three wires will change the rotations of direction. Do you familiar with any electrical tools? Name a few more electrical tools and how to use it. Self-explanatory. Another questions. Do you know how to bend AMT or electrical metallic tubing? Can you pull a cable? Do you afraid of height? These are the typical questions and the answer is self-explanatory. What is PIT? Answer: powered industrial track. Do you know how to operate them? Bomb lift, scissor lift, forklift. What is meant by table 310.15b16? Answer: allowable ampacities for insulated conductors, provided columns for copper and aluminum conductors. Say table. Electrical or electronic technician required electrical measurement equipment to check the presence of electrical voltage or current. By using this instrument, we can measure electrical boundaries such as voltage, frequency, current, power, insulation resistance, and a lot more. A lot of industries implement different types of electrical test equipment, ranging from the very simple and cheapest one to the most sophisticated ones. We have two different kinds of electrical testing equipment, the analog and the digital meter. The different types of electrical and electronic testing equipments are a voltmeter, ammeter, oscilloscope, ohmmeter, megameter, multimeter, clamp meter, wattmeter, energy meter. What is a voltmeter? A voltmeter is a measuring instrument used to measure voltage across any 2 points of an electric circuit. There are two types of voltmeter, DC voltmeter and AC voltmeter. DC voltmeter measure the DC voltage across any 2 points of an electric circuit. We have two types of voltmeter, analog and digital. Clamp meters are electrical testers having a wide jaws that are easily to clamp around an electrical conductor. Initially outlined as a single-purpose tool for measuring AC current, clamp meters now include input for accepting test lead and other proofs that support a wide range of electrical measurement. The jaws of a clamp meter enable work in a tight space and permit current measurements on live conductors without circuit disruption. We have two types of clamp meter, digital clamp meter and analog clamp meter. The parts of clamp meter are transformer jaw, clamping trigger, selector, LCD display, common for test prod, for voltage and ohmmeter test prod. What is ammeter? An ammeter measures the current flowing through a particular point in a circuit. In order to use an ammeter, you need to put it in series between the power source and the load. The unit of this measurement is ampere, which is equivalent to 1000 milliamperes. We also have two types of ammeter, analog and digital. What is ohmmeter? An ohmmeter is used to measure value of resistance between any 2 points of an electric circuit. It can also be used in finding value of unknown resistor. There are two types of ohmmeters, series ohmmeter and shunt ohmmeter. In series ohmmeter, the resistor whose value is unknown and to be measured to be connected in series. It is useful for measuring high values resistance. In shunt ohmmeter, the resistor whose value is unknown and to be measured should be connected in parallel. What is multimeter? Multimeter is used to measure electrical value such as voltage, current, and resistance. It can also be used to test continuity between 2 points in an electrical circuit. Multimeters can be used for testing batteries, household wiring, electric motors, and power supply. And we have two types of multimeters: digital multimeters and analog multimeters. The parts of digital multimeters are LCD display, function selector, ammeter test prod, common test prod, voltage and ohmmeter test prod. And the analog voltmeter is analog display, function selector, common test prod, volts ohmmeter test prod. What is wattmeter? The wattmeter is an instrument for measuring electrical power in watts in a circuit. The internal constructions of wattmeter is such that it includes two coils. One of the coil is in series and the other is connected in parallel. The coil that is connected in series with the circuit is known as current coil, and the one that is connected in parallel with the circuit is known as voltage coil. An energy meter or electrical meter is a device that measures the amount of electric energy consumed by residential, business, or an electrically powered device. The most common one being used is kilowatt hour. They are usually read at once in billing period. Note that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hours. We also have two types of energy meter: digital meter and the analog energy meter. What is insulation resistance or meager? The meager test is a process of testing an insulation resistance that will support the conditions of electrical insulation. Insulation resistance quality of an electrical system degraded with time. Environment condition, example: temperature, humidity, moisture, and dust particle. What is oscilloscope? Oscilloscope is a device that produces photographic illustration of voltage versus time. It is used to visualize signals in electronic systems. It is one of the basic test instruments used in electrical and electronic field. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.